Open a new browser window. Then type payments.google.com in the address bar. Click on Settings. Click on the edit symbol beside the country field. Then click on Create New Profile. Click on Continue. From the country drop-down, select the country you would like to change the address to. Then click on Continue. Provide the name and new address in the respective fields and click on Submit at the bottom of the page. Again, go to the home page of payments.google.com, expand the Profile section on the left-hand side and select the address profile that you would like to associate with Google Play. Once done, restart your Android device, open Google Play and try to download a free application. And you are good to go.